former Vice President and Wazirin Adamawa Atiku Abubakar noted that the defection of the prominent politicians, among whom is the former secretary to the Adamawa State government, Kobis Timno, marks the beginning of the collapse of the All Progressives Congress in the state and the country.
Yau Allah ya kawo mu lokaci ko kuma rana da za mu binne jam'iyyun hamayya da suke Adamawa. Dama jihar Adamawa tun da farko kutuna fa PDP ce, yanzu kuma tana PDP. An yi kuskure a baya, an yi wata jam'iyya wa APC.
Describing the opposition APC in Adamawa State as a party without focus, Governor Ahmadu Fintri said his party, the PDP, will soon conduct a credible and peaceful Congress that will serve as a shining example to other political parties.
For the common man in the state, the party have been up and doing, and they've tried to remind the government about our manifesto, which we've been translating to the common man, and it's giving result. You see, from the beginning up till now, people are joining the party.
Marking the foundation laying ceremony of the collapse of all the political parties in Nigeria to PDP.
Kobis Timno and Umar Bello Jada, who spoke on behalf of the people who defected, called for unity in the PDP to ensure victory in the coming 2023 general elections.